Bridges Connor here with Get Organized with Bridges and Company, and today we're going to talk about my very favorite organizing product, and that is called the Gift Bag Organizer. I love this. I've had this for many years. You can tell it's very well stocked, but it's the clear plastic pouches, and I have all my gift bags organized on this side, and the hanger swivels, and then I have all of my tissue paper on this side. Quick organizing tip: take a couple minutes up front when you buy your tissue paper. If it comes in assorted colors, break them out by color so it's really easy to pick the color of tissue paper that you need for your bag. So I love my gift bag organizer. So here's the packaging. It says gift bag organizer, wrapping supply holder, and you can purchase this from Amazon.